The West Jhd Hills District Congress Committee today introduced 17 Congress MDC candidates, with the presence MPCC President Vincent Pala felicitating them at a function held at CTC Orchid Tatlasken. In his address, Pala urged Congress supporters to commit themselves to the upcoming election and encourage elected candidates to actively engage with the public. He stressed the importance of maintaining a humble and approachable attitude when interacting with the people. He also emphasized the need to conduct the campaign with decorum, avoiding derogatory language towards individuals or political parties to create a positive and respectful electoral environment.
Candidate untuk menjadi mereka kena kentai dari election di bentang kiri tuan. Mereka mai mereka memahami dulu kita memahami kebetulan. Mereka begitu orang kita bah kecuk orang ni tak kinomjet tak kibasta. Tiki kejilong yang ke jungkesan yang tirki ke parti yang tirki ya ke background yang